Presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Vincent H. Pala uloong baka parti hi kan omdan jing AA lada ki Ngut ki MLA jong ka parti kila Leit ban Jingkyrshan no ya ka Sorkar MDA bat kim tre shu ban yakhun na ka parti Congress. Uba Pala uloong baulatip Lupa ya ka Jingthmu jong kini ki Ngut ki MLA tang na ka sinjam ka jong ki uloong ru baulatip Lupa ba mano ban yakhun na ka parti Congress bat mano ban tre shu ban yakhun na ka parti Congress. Haba kali ke ka daw bakini ki MLA ki yai Leit na ka parti uloong ba umtip namar bakat ba yakendo Kim Juong ya u lane Kim Ju ujor halor ka jingbakla ki bor ba halor. Habakali halor ke Jingkyrshan uba preston tinsong usembut menteri rangba ke jela presiden ke MPCC ulakop da ka baong baon sai page house nam hajar pulai mano banlong hakalieng balajan ngam.
We don't have a problem whether they fight or not. We are so not fools. We also know in advance who is who, what is what. So we are doing our ground. We prepare our ground. Honestly, I know who is going to fight from us, who is not going to fight from us. So we should not bother about that because we have things ready. We prepared for that. Not only me, we have a team who keep on talking, and then we are ready for that.
17 MLAs are left.
When you are in the power and the affair, he was in the Congress. When Preston was there in the Congress, so you can say anything. But there'll be a time where the Congress will come and he'll be also sinking. So let's see 2023 who is sinking, who is there. Then only we'll say. Thank you. Thanks for everything.